Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything, and in today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can create and publish a list of levels in Geometry Dash. The first thing that you want to do is to make sure to create your account. To do that quickly, just click on the setting right here, click on account, and then you want to simply click on the login button. If you don't have one, you can then create one using your email and you should be good to go. Right after logging in, click on the level editor section, click on create, and then in here at the bottom corner of the screen, we have the new button. So just click on the new button on this page. Inside, you can then name the level the way you want to. So in my case, I'm going to be naming this guide, and then let's do something like YouTube. From here, you then want to click on the edit button once again, which is going to be the blue icon. Of course, inside this page, we can then adjust or edit out our level the way we want to. So for example, if you want to add some blocks, you could just do so. And of course, let's add some obstacles on it. You then have to save your level by clicking on the pause button, click on the save and edit function. And before you have the ability to fully upload your level, basically you need to finish it first. Now this is where most people get the problem. So basically if we head over to our level editor, and from here if I put something like the end trigger, it will not go ahead and simply not end the game itself. Or if we do something like the classic stage and do our level this way, basically there won't be an ending enabling us to finish our level right here. So to finally finish out your game, you just have to click on the save and exit button, click on the play button in here, and basically you just have to finish out your game normally. Now in this way, your level will then be verified, as you can see right here, level verified, and now in this way, we can then complete the upload. And at the bottom of your screen, you will be able to see the level ID that you get to share with your friends and with yourself. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.